Hello everybody, welcome back to another installment of the Junkwagon Productions. Today I'm doing a video for all you that have been saving up your big money to get this specialty installation tool, and for you as well, Ricky Cole, owner of Taylor Transport. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install, my way, a 3725A, just your average run-of-the-mill national trailer seal. The new style, much better option. But let me show you this special tool that we have. Works as a removal tool as well. I know these are expensive. Most people save for years to get one, but I have been blessed and I am very lucky to say I am the owner of this one. So let's dig in and let me show you how quick and easy this will make life for you. Now let's get this thing started. Then, you take your high dollar installation tool and just kind of watch it, make sure you kind of keep it going in equally, evenly. Then you find which edge is better, which obviously I've been using this one to knock out bearings and wheel seals, so we'll use this better edge. All I do, lean it back, stick it on the edges of the seal. You ain't got to be Superman with it. A 5-pound hammer will be Superman for you, I can promise. And just like that, installation done. Now, just make sure you're plenty wide enough, give you some extra room, but it's a high dollar tool. Like I said, I've been blessed. Can't everybody just afford one just straight out of the gate? So, if you work hard, you shall be able to purchase one of these before it's over with. That's another video from old Junkwagon Productions. Tune in, subscribe, and like if you want to see more goofiness. Catch you next time.